Are you tired of spending endless hours on code that's riddled with errors or struggling to find the right words to describe your programming ideas? Well, get ready, because in this video, we're about to unveil a game-changing arsenal of AI-powered tools that will revolutionize the way you write, refine, and perfect your code. Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to an epic journey into the world of AI developer tools. Whether you're a seasoned developer looking to supercharge your productivity or a newbie eager to explore the latest tech innovations, this video is packed with insights and tools that will transform your coding experience. I discuss a bonus tool that Vercel Lab recently released at the end of the video that every UI designer should check out. Continue all the way to the end. We kick things off with a heavyweight champion in the coding arena, GitHub Copilot. Imagine having an AI assistant right at your fingertips, suggesting lines of code that seamlessly align with your project's goals. It's like having a coding genius by your side 24/7. GitHub Copilot is an artificial intelligence-powered pair programmer that provides autocomplete style suggestions as you code. Start composing the code you intend to use or compose a comment in natural language describing the desired behavior of the code, and GitHub Copilot will offer suggestions. GitHub Copilot analyzes the context in the file you are editing as well as related files and makes recommendations from within your text editor. A generative AI model created by GitHub, OpenAI, and Microsoft powers GitHub Copilot. But that's just the beginning. Meet Ghostwriter, created by Replit. It is a coding virtuoso that can transform your code from ordinary to extraordinary. Ghostwriter currently includes the following features. As you type, Ghostwriter uses context to provide code suggestions. To accept suggestions, click the tab. Highlight the code and Ghostwriter will walk you through it in plain English step by step. Edit code and Ghostwriter will suggest rewriting the code block. Provide a natural language prompt and Ghostwriter will generate code to assist you in solving your problem. Feeling stuck with variable names or function definitions? Fear not. Llama is here to rescue you. Llama is a state-of-the-art LLM capable of generating code and natural language about code from both code and natural language prompts. This AI marvel analyzes your code and serves up brilliant suggestions that will make your code base cleaner and more maintainable. Next up, tab 9, the Autocomplete Wizard. It's like having a coding crystal ball that predicts your next move. Say goodbye to those frustrating "what should I type next" moments. If you've ever wished you could simply describe what you want your code to do in plain English, Code T5 is your dream come true. Watch in awe as it transforms natural language descriptions into impeccable code. And speaking of turning words into code, Code GPT, backed by the incredible GPT architecture, will astound you with its capacity to produce elegant, readable, and correct code from your ideas. Become a 10x developer with our always free AI-assisted pair programming for Visual Studio Code. Amazon Code Whisperer is like having a coding mentor in your editor. It dissects your code and guides you towards cleaner, more efficient solutions. Code Whisperer is an AI coding companion that generates whole line and full function code suggestions in your IDE to help you get more done faster. It is a general purpose machine learning powered code generator that provides you with code recommendations in real time. As you write code, Code Whisperer automatically generates suggestions based on your existing code and comments. Your personalized recommendations can vary in size and scope, ranging from a single-line comment to fully formed functions. Continuing on the GPT train, GPT Engineer is another coding virtuoso that can transmute your natural language descriptions into finely crafted code. Need even more coding magic? Say hello to the GPT Code Interpreter. It is the latest feature in OpenAI ChatGPT specifically, with the GPT-4 model that allows you to run Python code in a live working environment. Now we have a bit of a surprise. Google Bard, while it's not a code generator per se, it can add a dash of creativity to your code base. Think of it as your coding muse for those poetic comments and commit messages. Our journey concludes with Open Interpreter, which lets language models run code on your computer. an open source, locally running implementation of OpenAI's Code Interpreter. You can chat with Open Interpreter through a ChatGPT-like interface in your terminal by running the command interpreter after installing it. This provides a natural language interface to your computer's general-purpose capabilities. Create and edit photos, videos, PDFs, etc. Control a Chrome browser to perform research, plot, clean, and analyze large data sets, and more. And before we go, here is the latest from Vercel, as promised. But first, I would appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and pass it along to other programmers. Together, we'll usher in a new era of coding excellence. Now let's talk about V0. V0 is a generative user interface system developed by Vercel Labs, powered by AI. It creates React code compatible with Shad-CN UI and Tailwind CSS based on text prompts. Users can choose from 3 AI-generated interface options, customize them, and copy-paste the code for their projects. The tool is currently in a private alpha phase, with plans to expand support for different UI libraries and design systems. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of these incredible AI tools that are about to transform the way you code. Whether you're building the next big app, solving complex problems, or just having fun with code, these tools are your trusty sidekicks on your coding adventures. However, it is important to note that while these are powerful tools, they are still in their early stages of development. That means they still require human validation, so double-check the output and fine-tune your prompt as necessary. We hope this video has left you inspired and ready to take your coding journey to new heights. All of the project links are included in the description below. I am in no way associated with any of these projects. I am simply sharing some useful tools with you.